Bakit hindi ka pa maka-move on? Hello, Unstoppables! Bakit hindi ka pa makapag-serve? Bakit hindi ka pa maka-move on? Ano ba ang iyong hindrance? Madalas, ang greatest hindrances sa paglago natin ay hindi ibang tao, kundi sarili natin. Ang dami mong dahilan, kaya ang dami mong sayang. We cling to comfort zones, bad habits, or toxic relationships na humaharang sa blessings ni Lord. Para kang tumatakbo ng may backpack na puno ng bato. It's time to declutter. At kung hindi nakakatulong sa faith mo, pabigat yan. Drop it. God wants you to run free, not weighed down by excuses. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1 says, "Let us throw off everything that hinders. Let us run with perseverance." Ubarin ang pabigat. Takbo na. Remove the blockages. Clear the hindrance. Again, this is Miss Beauty Ann reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye!